Hello, YouTube, and welcome to episode 1 of What's Inside. Now, today we're going to be looking at what's inside of this Pokemon flavored fruit snack pack. It's going to be really hype and awesome, so if you're excited for the first episode of What's Inside, please smash the like button down below for us because you know it's really appreciated and how. What's inside of this Pokemon fruit snack box is fruit snacks, 20 pouches, I believe. And if you see right there, you can see Charmander, the orange one, and then Bulbasaur, the green one, and then the blue one is Squirtle, then the purple one is Gengar, then the orange, then the purple one, the other purple one, or like the red one, the so-called red one, is Pikachu head, and then the other one is definitely Pikachu. So let's go see if we can find what's inside one of these packages. Now these packages are super cool because look at the package. Just look at the package. That's awesome. Now I don't know if we're gonna get all the flavors in one, but we're gonna try to get all the flavors in one, all the Pokemon in one. So let's see what we can get. So first off, we have one Gengar. We have a Charmander, an orange Charmander one. We have a Bulbasaur one. So that crosses off 3 off of our list. Then we have a Red Pikachu, which crosses off 4 from our list. Which I don't. Wait a second. I'm just gonna start eating these because there's quite a bit in here. Very good. That's very good. Now, here is Squirtle. Oh, Squirtle. Now, that's what's inside this pack. But there's no yellow Pikachu, but there was a red Pikachu. There's no yellow one. So, we got 2 orange Charmanders. We got 2 Gengars, purple Gengars. We got 2 green Bulbasaurs. We got 1 red Pikachu and 1 blue Squirtle. But we don't have any any blue any yellow Pikachu, I should say, not blue Pikachu, because there's not blue Pikachu in here, but we don't have any yellow Pikachu. But let's try some of our fruits next. So first off, we're gonna try one of the Gengar. That's pretty awesome. I think it is a grape. I think it must be grape flavored. Let's try Bulbasaur. I'm not sure what this tastes like. Maybe green apple, but I don't think it tastes like green apple though. Maybe. I don't know. Then we have a Charmander. An orange Charmander. Well, I don't know what that one tastes like, right? Orange. That was very good. No. We have a red Pikachu. A red Pikachu. Probably is gonna be my favorite one out of all of them. Look at it. Okay. So. This is a cherry of strawberry, and that one was super good. Now, what's the blue squirtle gonna be like? I don't know. Let's try it. Is that blue raspberry or blueberry yet? I'm very bad at saying what things taste like. Especially fruit snacks, but probably. I have tried the grape Gengar again. Now, as you can see, it says Pikachu on the box because it's the Pokemon mascot, basically. So, that's gonna be it for today's episode of What's Inside. Now, we're just gonna eat this one last green Bulbasaur. So that's it for What's Inside of Pokemon Fruit Snacks. Now, if you like today's episode, please smash the like button down below for us, because I know it's really appreciated. And I'm going to get about. So see you guys next time in What's Inside. Bye!